Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to use Invideo AI without Watermark. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see on my screen right now that we have a watermark and we want to remove it so that we can use it. So the first thing that we need to do to remove the watermark so that we can use Invideo AI is to upgrade our account right here. So if you click remove watermark, this is the pricing of the subscription of Invideo AI. So I'm currently using the free version right now. So if you want to remove the watermark, you will need to pay $20 per month. And if you do that, of course, you're not going to have any watermark anymore. But let's say, for example, that we don't have that kind of money to use. So the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, download the video. So what we're going to do is to download it raw with watermark. Then let's wait it to finish. After that, let's go here on another search bar and then search for Annie Eraser. And then click enter. And then you will be directed here. So just go here on the website and then, of course, log into your account. So I'm just going to use this one. And after that, this video right here, let's drag it right there. So this is our video, as you can see. And then what we're going to do is to select the watermark we want to remove. So let's brush this one. Then after that, let's click remove objects now. And then let's wait for it to finish. And if we play the video right here.
Welcome to Science in a Nutshell, where we uncover fascinating facts in just 1 minute. Did you know chameleons change color not to match their surroundings, but to communicate with each other?
As you can see right there, we don't have any watermarks anymore. So we've basically used Invideo AI without watermark. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something. Have a great day, everyone.